Okay, let's answer. Ganun lang kabilis. Madali lang yung party. Doon tayo magbili ng time sa iba. Okay. Dapat wala ng kodigo to ha. Number one is what? Sodium chloride. Okay. Sodium chloride, obviously. No? Sodium. Pagpasensya nyo na yung sulat ko. Pangit talaga. Chloride. Second
Magnesium
is,
oxide.
yes. Sino yung? Tama, magnesium oxide naman. Yun yung naka-unmute. Okay, thank you. Madali lang yan. Okay, number two is magnesium oxide. Magnesium. Magnesium. Pangit po ng sulat natin. Ano, wait lang. Mga basic na yan. Ano, huwag tayo mapapagod mag-ulit-ulit magsagot kasi yan yung makakapagpapasa sa atin. Magnesium oxide. Pangatlo, bakit siya magnesium oxide? Kasi Mg2 plus O minus 2, no? Criss-cross. Kaya siya MgO. K2S is potassium sulfide. Okay. So that's K2S because K is plus 1, S is minus 2. Do the crisscross, that's K2S. Next is calcium fluoride. Pakadali pa ng mga to. Calcium fluoride. No? That's Ca plus 2, F minus, crisscross CaF2. And then you have lithium nitride. Lithium nitride. So Li plus N minus 3. Kaya Li 3N. Okay, 3. So you have to memorize yung mga charges nila dapat alam natin. Okay, next. Okay, moving on. Speed test lang to. For polyatomic, o sige, 2 minutes.